How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I'm going to give you a quick update on the crypto market and on the market as a whole. I have to go to Costco the day before Thanksgiving. There's no way of getting around it, so wish me luck down below in the comment section. By the way, I'm going to try to keep this short, but I have to roll the disclaimer here. Just a reminder, this is not financial advice. This is not legal advice. Do your own research. I'm never going to reach out to you either in the comment section or through any other means to try to get you to invest in something that I'm investing in or to send me crypto. Some links underneath the video are affiliate links. I may earn a commission, but this is at no extra cost to you. Of course, do your own due diligence. Also, if you do want to trade crypto, check out the link underneath the video to BYDeFi. It's in the link tree. We have a deposit bonus going on right now. You can also join me on Telegram. There have been more and more people getting kicked off YouTube and getting their videos taken down. Every day I see one or two. So check that out underneath the video in case I get kicked off here. As we can see, Bitcoin is above 87,000, just kind of floating around here the last couple of days. Not much volatility for Bitcoin, but you can see it's a green day in the market. Again, the S&P 500 within 2% of all-time highs at $6,800. It looks pretty good, but there are still a lot of stocks that are down significantly from their high. They're all kind of hitting tops at different times, so it causes the market to kind of just float around this price. Now, take a look at this. U.S. initial jobless claims came in slightly lower than expected, right? So this is actually a little bit bearish for rate cuts, but it doesn't really matter. It's not that big of a miss, and everything that we've been getting recently is pointing people to think that we're going to see a rate cut at the next meeting, 80% chance, which is really bullish for risk on assets. Yesterday, Texas became the first state to announce that they bought Bitcoin. They bought Bitcoin with, I believe it was $10 million of IBIT. Pretty awesome. I thought they already had a position, but maybe I was wrong. We also have like Harvard making it their largest position recently, largest public position. And, a lot of entities are getting exposure to Bitcoin right now. I'll give you some of my thoughts on exposure to Bitcoin, the 0 to 1, like 0 or nothing debate. 100% or nothing debate. Like there are a lot of people that are either 100% Bitcoin or no Bitcoin, and I'll give you some of my thoughts on that later today. JP Morgan files new Bitcoin note offering 1.5x gains through BlackRock's IBIT. So it looks like they're doing a leverage structured note tied directly to BlackRock's IBIT price. Interesting. The company that hates Bitcoin, or the CEO hates Bitcoin, they're going to make money off of Bitcoin. Funny how that works, isn't it? The market seems to continue to rally, I think in part due to really strong earnings and that kind of thing, but also this has been, I think, making people more bullish. Kevin Hassett, Trump's top economic advisor and a strong supporter of sharp rate cuts, is now seen as the front runner for the next Fed chair, and he's pretty pro-crypto. Obviously, Trump wants to put in someone that's going to cut rates pretty aggressively, so I think the markets are pricing that in maybe a little bit. Take a look at this. Maybe the most bullish downgrade I've ever seen. S&P Global, one of the big ratings agency, downgrades Tether's USDT, citing increased exposure to Bitcoin and gold. Again, maybe one of the most bullish downgrades ever. I mean, they've made it really clear that they want to be exposed to Bitcoin and gold over time. Kind of funny how that works. They buy hard assets and get downgraded. Let me know your thoughts on this underneath the video. It might be a quiet next couple of days because of Thanksgiving tomorrow in the US, and on Friday the markets are closed like partway through the day at 1 p.m. Eastern. So might be a little bit quiet for the next 3-4 days. Be ready for some volatility in Bitcoin though, because it's funny how that works its way in when it's quiet. They're all of a sudden, either Bitcoin's just going to do nothing, or we could see lower volume and maybe some bigger move. So be careful out there. Let me know your thoughts. Hope you all have a good Thanksgiving, and I'll have a video later today. Thanks so much.